In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase video quality using CapCut on your PC. Whether you're editing a short clip or a longer video, these tips will help you make the most of your footage with just a few simple adjustments. So, let's dive in and upgrade your video quality for stunning results. To get started, you'll want to have your project open in CapCut. Assuming you have your project ready, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an export option waiting for you. Clicking on this will bring up the export settings where you can tweak various aspects of your video to enhance quality. This is where the magic begins. First, let's talk about resolution. In the export settings, you'll find an option for increasing your video's resolution. If your footage allows, consider stepping up from 1080p to 4K. This increase can lead to a noticeable improvement in detail and sharpness. Keep in mind that your source video limits you. You can't truly elevate quality beyond what was originally captured, but you can definitely preserve and slightly enhance what you have here. Next, there's the frame rate, or FPS, which stands for frames per second. If your original video supports a higher frame rate, it's worth increasing this setting. Typically from 30 to 60 FPS, a higher frame rate makes your video look smoother, especially during fast-paced scenes, providing a more professional feel. Moving on, let's not overlook the bitrate. Think of the bitrate as the amount of data used to display each second of your video. Generally, a higher bitrate means better video quality. For HD videos, somewhere around 10 to 20 megabits per second, or Mbps, is a solid choice. This adjustment will help ensure your video looks crisp and detailed. While you're adjusting settings, pay attention to the video format. Choose between H.264 or HEVC, also known as H.265. These formats offer excellent compression, meaning your video remains in high quality while keeping file sizes manageable. It ensures that your video looks great across various platforms without being unnecessarily large. Once you're satisfied with your settings, simply click Export and let CapCut do the heavy lifting. The export process may take a few minutes depending on your video's length and settings, so feel free to grab a coffee while you wait. Before we wrap up, it's important to remember that this process won't turn a low-quality video into a high-quality marvel. Rather, it preserves and can slightly enhance the visuals you started with. Keeping these steps in mind will make sure you're making the most of your footage every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in enhancing your video projects. Remember to hit like, subscribe for more tips, and happy editing!